trusted you, my friend. Sasihleka together, kodwa today ngiyakhala.
Emotional beats guy.
We used to share everything, secrets in the middle of the night. You told me ngizohlala nawe, but you were hiding lies behind your smile. Ngakungenisa ekhaya lami, ngakwethemba ngenhliziyo yonke, kanti wena ubufuna indoda yami. Now my heart is broken pieces. How could you do this to me? My own sister from another mother. Ngikubiza ngomngani wami, kodwa ngihlaba emhlane. You took my love, wathatha isoka lami. Now I cry alone at night. Ngisale nobuhlungu phela. Oh my friend, why? Besisondele kakhulu. Now I don't know who to trust. Ngidumele kakhulu, kakhulu. People laughing when they see me, but she lost both love and friendship. I gave you my shoulder to cry on, but when I uthatha konke kimi, ngikhumbula happy moments, dancing and singing together. Kodwa konke kwaphenduka izinyembezi. Now my heart will never be the same. Maybe one day I will heal. Maybe one day I will smile again. But the pain you gave me will stay inside forever. You took my love, wathatha nenjabulo yami. Now I stand here all alone. Ngifuna ukuphila ngaphandle kwenu. Oh my friend, why? Anginophindele lokhu. From sisterhood to betrayal, ngidumele kakhulu.
Emotional beats guy.